Welcome everyone to the Simon Says Stamp Card Kit Reveal and Inspiration, and this month's kit is called Leafy Frames. It is full of gorgeous florals, and I'm going to start off with the 6x8 stamp set. This is illustrated by Christina Werner, and it is beautiful flowers in arrangements of circles and frames, and also some loose flowers on the sides, and some of her beautiful handwriting that you can put together for some really lovely cards. The papers this month come from Carta Bela Botanical Garden, and these are 6x6 papers, double-sided. And as I flip through there, you can see that there's really gorgeous florals, and they are that double-sided. Something to note about these papers is there are about 4 tones of different cardstock, so you get 3 sheets with each tone. So this one has some more oranges and the black, and then these are coordinating with those colors. Now we go into a lighter pink color and a couple other sheets that go with that. So as you flip through your papers, once you get them, you'll notice that there are different tones to work with, and that is a gorgeous set by Carta Bela. To go with your papers, we have a set of Carta Bela Botanical Garden frames and tags ephemera, and these are really pretty. You can put these onto your cards. There are nice shapes to them, and they all have some sort of floral aspect to a side. There's a lot of different sizes that you can work with. Some of these will punch out, and there's a message on the inside and a frame around the outside. So these are really fun to put together onto your cards. Another item that we've included in your kit is a bundle of Kaisercraft Coconut Mini Paper Blossoms. And these have a nice long wire stem so you can create your own bouquet. This kit also includes a jar of the Tim Holtz Distress Rock Candy Glitter and a glitter duster that you can use to get a nice fine mist of shine onto your cards. We have 4 of the Simon Says Stamp envelopes for this kit. This first one is metallic black, and then we also have the metallic green leaf, also metallic gold, and a Simon Says Stamp bright white envelope. These all have the peel off stick, so you don't have to lick them to stick them. Our cardstocks this month are Simon Says Stamp Cotton Candy, 100-pound Desert Storm, Simon Says Stamp Ivory, Green Leaf, and also black. Next up, I have some inspiration from our designers using the contents of this card kit. I created a card where I've used the ephemera, and I've also stamped a row of flowers off to the right and then put everything together with a few of those flowers at the bottom. Susie Plantamaris stamped several of the leaves and added small flowers to create her own frame around a beautifully stamped message. And finally, Cindy Norberg cut out the flowers from one of the sheets of pattern paper and placed those onto her cards surrounding her message. I hope you've enjoyed the card kit reveal and inspiration for our monthly card kit, Leafy Frames. Be sure to check out our blog for additional inspiration for this kit. And as always, thanks so much for watching.